Hey, what's good, everybody? Brand new weekend here, out exploring, and I'm going to be exploring this little abandoned farm right here. I'm going to fly around and check this place out. Looks like it hasn't been used in quite a few years. And it is a little bit cold and breezy today, so let's start the drone recording right now. You can see I have it nicely placed on top of my roof as usual for launch. And let's go over here and check it out. I'll probably keep it in normal mode. Just looking around here. As long as it doesn't fly off on me. Just like that. Damn, okay. Like I've said in a couple other videos before, the wind is not your friend with these things sometimes. But let's go see what we got over here. Might be less windy over here. Nice. Big set of old corrals. Look at that barn. Get down here out of the wind a little bit. And hold on for just a second. I'm going to switch my ISO to auto. I think I can do that right here while I'm recording. No, I cannot. I'm going to pause recording and start again. Alright, sorry for that little delay. I want to go on auto ISO here so I can go in these buildings without, you know, getting too dark. Whoa. Nice. Nice, Nigel. Good signal strength. Definitely an old feeding stable of some kind. A little nicer in here without all the wind blowing. Let's go through here. Interesting. This is definitely not as easy as doing this with the motion controller. But the thing about this is you can do I can do my, my sideways drifts and everything. Kind of like this. It's just all around better, I think, to be skilled with your RC controller and on the sticks than with the motion controller. But it does have its nice, easy, relaxing purpose. Wow, this place is awesome. Now, I don't think I'm going to slip back out that way because of the wind. Let's go back over this fence and go back out this door. There we go. What else we got? I'm going to go back around and go in that barn. We'll take a peek over here. Yeah, just more of the nice stable. Now, let's see if we can go into this barn. Kind of staying down here low, it's not as windy. I was going to go out and do for some other videos, some manual flying out here, but we'll see. The wind is not very friendly. Now, can I sneak into here somehow? There we go. Dang. This was once a very happening barn. Stable, livery, whatever you want to call it. If it was any darker, I'd have to put the flashlight rig back on. I got the ND16 filter on right now, so I didn't want to go any higher of a filter because I couldn't see inside, and any lower of a filter because it'd be too bright outside. So I think the 16 works perfectly. Nice. Now, these windows look like they have glass in them. Let's back up here, go back out this window that I came in, or the top of the old door. Alright, now if I can go around to the other side without getting blown away. I'm down to 60% battery. I only started off with like 79% on this battery, so it won't be as long of a flight. Oop, I hit that wind again. Can really feel it. Now if it's not too windy, I'm going to try to go in this front door, but the wind might be rocking me around too much. Right here. See, it's blowing me. It'd be hard to get in there without bumping something. And I'll do a glide across here. Yeah, it looks like just some old insulation up there. Not a whole lot. I better get away from here before the wind blows me into something. Gosh darn wind, it wasn't supposed to blow today. That I seen on the weather channel, but then again, you are out here up in the open vast country of the mountains. You never know what you're going to run into. This is near Tarryall, Colorado. I made a couple of videos on this before. You can find those right here on the annotation in your upper right corner if you want to watch that video. It was a longer one. I kind of made that more of a vlog style video. There's the occasional car driving by this highway. Yeah, I'm getting rocked big time in this wind. Gosh darn. Alright, let's go look from this guy real quick. Obviously, when you're seeing this with the rock steady stabilization going on, it won't look near as choppy as it does when I'm initially recording it in the goggles. Let's look in here. This looks like a big enough door to go in. Yeah. Okay, here we go. What do we got going on in here? Looks like some funky birds' nests. Wind's blowing me around in here. Alright. More animal stables. Oh, it looks like a chicken. Little chicken perch right there where they lay their eggs. Must have been the chicken coop. I wonder how long this farm has been, or barnyard or whatever, has been inoperable. Get a quick look here. Go back by the barn again. Go over the corrals. Looks like there's an outhouse out here. Fascinating. Yep, and there she is in all her glory. Just a hole sitting there, no more toilet. Maybe that's what it was. It's just a squatty potty. Who knows? Cool. I'm down to about 35% battery now. I might have to come back and get a charged up one, but yeah, it's pretty cool there. Little abandoned farm barnyard. I wonder if there was a house sitting here at one time, or if it was just a little business where they sorted off cattle, sold cattle. You got the chute right here, and more cars driving by. Feels like the wind might be dying down just a skosh now. As soon as I'm done, of course. Oh, the old water hydrant. Take a quick peek into here. So much to explore, so little time. Oh, low battery warning, okay. Get home, get home. I wanted to return home by itself, but I had to push the stop cancel button, then it paused it, and then it didn't move for a second. I was like, no, go, go. I don't want it to return home on its own. I don't trust it that well, especially in this high wind. Gotta love it, man, you gotta love it. All right, let's scooter on over here and land her. All right, cool. There we have it. Whew. Definitely nerve-wracking when there's elements like higher wind. I'm still recording on the drone. Higher wind, and just wanted to make sure I wasn't going to lose my signal around there, but it stayed strong the whole time. So there you have it, another exploration video. I'm going to keep looking around for places like this to explore that are, you know, not completely closed off. And there's, you know, obviously nobody living in them anymore. I got to put my sunglasses on. It's bright out here. So yeah, I wish the wind wasn't blowing, but it's all right. Still got around a little bit. I might try something like this again with the motion controller. I mean, it definitely is easier to get in there with the motion controller, but I want to just, you know, get better at, you know, mastering these sticks the way, I mean, even when you're doing it in normal mode as opposed to manual mode, when you're exploring tight places like that, you got to be precise on everything. It's how they do the real estate fly-throughs in the houses and advertisements and stuff. I seen in a pub that I went to the other day, they have what they call drone TV going on. It's at the Dive In down in Denver. It's down on South Broadway in Denver. It's a really nice bar. But they had drone TV, and I seen a whole bunch of different clips, just like random clips, like MTV used to be, I guess, of people taking the drones through, obviously, real estate. That's a huge thing. And another thing is they were taking it through like a campsite. It was advertising a beer, and somebody flew an FPV. I don't know if it was the AVATA 2 or one of the more known built quads that people fly and everything. But they took it right through, like the guy opened up the cooler, pulled out a beer, drone flew right underneath his hand, flew around to the next bunch of people, and everybody's, you know, doing what they're supposed to do on cue. So it's pretty cool. I'd like to be the director of something like that someday. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. I got a lot more of these exploring places coming up, especially with the summertime and spring season coming up. When the weather gets warmer, I'm going to venture out of the truck when it's not so freaking bone-chilling cold and go hike some places. There's some trails you can hike on that lead up to abandoned buildings. My only thing is I don't like to do this kind of thing when there's people around, you know. It's just people are too distracting, and it attracts a crowd. So when I'm doing these kind of videos I like to share on YouTube, I like to be away from people. And Colorado has a lot of places like this that are away from people. But all right, anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Fly high.